Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the tracks and the base. First, measure and section the head so you sew in straight rows. This gives even tension. Next, line up your wefts and clip them in the order you'll install them to avoid tangles. Thread your needle and position your crochet hook. Make sure the loop size matches track thickness. Once done, anchor the first stitch at the nape and keep the weft slightly loose to allow natural movement. This prevents puckering later. Now you'll crochet each track into place, working methodically across the head. Insert the hook under the braid or cornrow, latch the track loop, then pull a small section of the weft through to create a tidy knot. This locks the track. Stitch at consistent 1-to-1. 5-inch intervals so weight distributes evenly. Make sure your tension remains balanced. Too tight causes scalp stress, too loose leads to slippage. Once a row is complete, tie off and tuck the thread. To finish, trim stray fibers and blend the track ends into the natural hair for a seamless look. Run your fingers across the rows to test mobility. The head should move comfortably without gaps. If you notice pulling or an uneven row, pinpoint the loose section, remove the knot, and restitch tighter or add an extra reinforcing knot. When shedding appears, apply a small amount of silicone-based sealant to the weft edge. Finally, style gently and check again after 24 hours for settling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.